Good morning, guys. So I'm starting this video, obviously, as you can see, by just doing my makeup. It's not really my makeup, I'm just kind of fixing up my face. But today, me and my siblings are going to the lake or the beach, whatever you want to call it. It's technically a lake, but it looks like a mini beach. I'm really excited because I was telling my sister the other day, I really feel like I wasted my summer and that my summer has been so uneventful and that we've literally done nothing and I've just been sitting in my bed all day. So we decided to go to the lake today and I'm hoping, I haven't asked anyone yet, but I'm hoping we could also go to the drive-in movie theater later, but I don't know if anyone will be up for that. Hopefully they want to, because I really want to go into a drive-in movie. So I'm hoping that my family will say yes and we can enjoy a drive-in movie, but I don't know what the movies are. So I'm actually gonna look at that right now. Not the best movies. Okay, I'll show my parents, talk to them later, and we'll see if we're gonna go. But for now, I'm gonna get my bathing suit on and get ready to go to the lake.
Start your computations. Go.
So we went to the lake, but it was closed. Well, we think. We don't actually know why no one was going in. We're assuming because there was a tropical storm yesterday. So we decided to go to a different lake, but that one was closed also, probably because of the storm. So we're gonna try a third lake. We don't know if it's open though. We tried calling and it was unavailable. So we're gonna see. But then there's also a garden that we could go to possibly. So we're just gonna check it out because at least I don't want to waste this nice day because the next few days are probably cloudy and today is supposed to be really sunny. While we're in the car, since we're going to be in the car for 32 minutes, I'm going to talk about story time with Hannah. We found out what our school is going to be like for this coming year because in my last video, actually I don't know when I'm uploading this, but one of my past videos, my Get Ready With Me, oh no. My Get Ready With Me to Film a YouTube video, I talked about school.
Tree down, film the tree.
Okay, I'll film the tree. Brian and I are going to the same school this year. He's going in, it's a freshman year, I'm gonna be a senior. The first week is A through K, last names, and we are A through K, so we're going in the first week, and then second week is the rest of the alphabet, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L through Z. And that stinks because I won't be seeing Julia or Lucy, and I won't be seeing Helena, I won't be seeing Sarah, I won't be seeing a lot of my friends, and it really stinks. I still have other people, so that's good. But it's gonna be interesting. I don't know if I'm pretty sure they'll be doing Zoom because if we're going in 1 week, the next week we're not going in, we probably just won't be sitting home, we'll probably be watching it on Zoom, which is annoying because then I won't ask questions and I'll be too shy to do anything. So, but at least we're going to school. I heard people are doing online for a whole semester. I'm glad we're not because I
know
really
a lot of
want to
schools are giving the choice.
It's gonna be hard, but I'm hoping by second semester it'll be pretty much back to normal because prom, graduation. So we left at 9:30 and it's 10:45.
But they have great bagels.
Can we get them?
How long are your
Why'd you pass it? I want to get bagels.
Oh yeah, I want a bagel.
Okay guys, what else can we talk about?
Nothing, put it down until we get there.
Okay, yeah, okay, well, we're gonna see if we can get bagels. See you guys on the flip side.
He's in the Middle East.
We got our bagels. I got plain bagel toasted with butter like I always do, and then they just got plain bagels. And we're gonna test out these bagels. So this is gonna be a first impressions. So this is gonna be glasses. So this is gonna be a review of Jesse's bagels. Apparently they're good. So let's try it.
They're boiled. That's why.
Yeah, please don't gonna crash.
Oh.
Alien, you have no hand on the wheel. Don't do that.
My hand's right here.
I don't trust that bagel hand. Alright guys, so we went to the other lake and of course it was closed.
And the garden.
And the garden, so we're just going back home. I want to be outdoors today because it's such a nice day. And I just feel like I've been sitting on my butt this whole summer. I don't know, we're just gonna go home and then maybe I'll decide to go somewhere, do something. We'll see, but I'm hoping then now there's a bigger chance we'll be able to go to the drive-in. Alright guys, so I'm with Julia and Lucy. And we're gonna get ice cream. It's really hot out and sunny, so we're gonna go and then we'll probably go on a walk. We came to a little shady spot and now we're all sitting but socially distanced. So we didn't end up getting ice cream. We're gonna get it after because then we'll be really sweaty and it'll cool us off. I'll turn this way so you can see them. But
Got a haircut.
yes, Lucy got a haircut. Beautiful. But we're not going to the drive-in tonight anymore because no one wanted to watch the movies.
Oh, speaking.
I knew you were gonna wear that skirt today. We're gonna do outfit of the days.
Okay, first I'm wearing Fila's. This is from Amazon. Excellent. This is from H&M, maybe?
Cute. And then your classic Moana necklace.
Oh yeah, switch it.
Very classic Julia outfit. Love.
So these are Keds socks with a lace trim, so they're technically body socks.
She knows all the terminology.
I know the terminology. This is a shirt. I think it's from Urban Outfitters.
No, I thought it was pants.
What? This is also a skirt. I bought it at Urban Outfitters when I needed to play child prostitute. So this is my child prostitute skirt. All scrunchie that I got when I actually bought vintage clothes from funnyprettynice.com. They sent me this free silk scrunchie. These are my glasses.
This is so, like, each of you guys just explaining is just so classic to each one of you.
And then I got a new haircut today. So
Lucy loves her haircut.
I love it.
It is really pretty. Lucy has the most beautiful hair.
Thank you. Here, now let me. This is my shirt and it's from Garage. And then my skirt is from Depop, but it's from her Melrose. And it's a little skirt that I feel like I always wear it on my channel. And then my Converse, I like Converse. And then this headband that I made out of quilted fabric. So if you want your own, go to Blooming Apparel on Etsy.
I have one and it's so good I forgot she made it. That's not an insult, that's just I thought it was like genuinely
nice.
like factory made for a long time.
Thanks, Lucy. That's
You're welcome.
I like these. It's so pretty. When I was younger, I wanted to be a woman.
Guys, we're not going to be in school together this year, and like, I'm really sad about it because that means no more day vlogs, and I'm just... Okay guys, we got our ice cream. What did Julie get? Yes. So I'm back in my house now, and sorry I didn't film too much with Lucy and Julia. It was just so hot, and we were just talking, so there wasn't really much to film, and plus there was a lot of people around. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It definitely did not go as planned. The two things we planned today didn't happen, but that's alright because we still made the best of it and it was a really fun day. So I encourage you guys to do the same. If your day doesn't turn out how you planned it, just try to do something else and just make the best of the situation you're in. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. This really weird lighting on my face right now, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Why did I do that weird sound? I don't know.